A deepfake is a synthetic media in which a person's likeness is added to an existing picture or video. The technique is often based on artificial intelligence. The resulting image or video is entirely unlike the original and is often used in social media. The question then becomes, what is the legal basis for creating a deepfake? A new artificial intelligence-based face switching technique based on neural networks enables the generation of deepfakes. Deepfakes are composite pictures that change a person's face to mimic the features of another person without altering the original facial expression. They are especially useful for creating photorealistic videos at a low cost. One such example is the digital Princess Leia in the Rogue One finale. While this scene required a great deal of expertise and knowledge, it could be easily performed using this technique. Deepfakes use two network pairs and autoencoders to simulate the human face. The encoder learns the structure of the face by analyzing the input images. Then, the decoder is trained for the target image and synthesizes the two images in the reconstruction process. Deepfakes also use generative adversarial networks, which combine two neural networks to increase their accuracy. Using deepfake technology has the potential to impact many industries. Originally associated with celebrity porn, it is now being used for other purposes, including short video clips and documentaries. The technology is becoming more sophisticated, but many are still wary about the potential misuse of deepfake images. Open-source tools like FaceSwap and DeepFakeLab have a wide variety of configuration settings for deepfakes. Both tools are highly customizable and contain large numbers of neural network hyperparameters. They can be made on a gaming GPU, which can save a lot of time compared to a dedicated machine learning GPU server. Deepfakes are often used for good purposes, but they can be dangerous if used by the wrong people. They can create fake videos featuring the likeness of anyone, ranging from politicians to celebrities, and can be extremely damaging. They have already been used in pornographic videos and have wreaked havoc on professional and personal lives. Deepfakes are videos that have been altered by deep neural networks to make them look like real people. They can mimic facial expressions and speech, and can even manipulate facial movements in synthesis. In short, deepfake videos look real, but are fakes made to trick people into believing them are the real people. While deepfakes have widespread applications, from cancer detection to revenge porn, they are also fraught with problems. They can manipulate public opinion, interfere with elections, and violate intellectual property rights. For this reason, it is essential to understand the legal basis for creating a deepfake. Vietnam's current legal framework recognizes the importance of identifying and protecting individual rights. These rights extend to elements of a person's features and to copyrighted materials. Vietnam's intellectual property law, IPR, and privacy code, Article 32 of the Civil Code, protect individuals' rights in relation to images. According to these laws, any image of a person must be properly sourced, and the subject's consent must be obtained before the image can be used. However, there are exceptions to these rules, such as if the use is for the benefit of national or public benefit. Although the existing framework of privacy and intellectual property law provides some interim solutions, deepfakes remain a gray area. Some states have laws banning deepfakes. However, Congress has yet to pass federal legislation to prevent deepfakes. As a result, the debate over legal bases for deepfakes is ongoing. As far as civil remedies go, victims of deepfakes may be able to file a lawsuit against the creator or publisher. These cases may be able to recover actual damages or punitive damages, but the plaintiff must prove that the deepfake was embarrassing or offensive. Despite the risks, deepfakes are beneficial and should not be curtailed by legislation. Legislation must be carefully crafted to protect those benefits and not stifle these legitimate uses of this technology. Moreover, legislation should not be overly broad. Many lawmakers have proposed legislation to curb deepfakes, but the new legislation could undermine the First Amendment. Deepfakes raise concerns about rights of publicity and copyright infringement. But there are also social issues associated with consent and the ability to trust a video. Some experts argue that copyright law should be the appropriate avenue to regulate deepfakes.